characteristics off of you. Man, you got them out of your ear. Man, they off your back. Now, you're ready to hit a boss. You're ready to allow the boss to dictate to you. Because you're not the boss. You're the follower. What do you need to do? Shut up. Be still. Shut up. Be still. Be still. Shut up. And listen. 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 Exceptionalism isn't superiority. Exceptionalism is not superiority. Exceptionalism is the refusal to bow down to mediocrity. Don't succumb. Don't succumb. Overcome. Thank you. I'm DeAndre Moody.